This 3-hole skeg fits 3 different models from Old Town Predator, the Predator 13 and 2 other models. I have it all written down. It's on the invoice. So actually we'll go over to the table and I'll show you exactly what model and what model number this is, serial number, SKU number, whatever they call it, and which specific year and model kayaks this will fit. But I ordered 4 of them. I have two Old Town Predator 13, so they take, well, they use just one. You know, this is for the back end. But I launch off the the boat launch, and it's cement, and I'm by myself, bad back, so I scrape the bottom a lot, so I wear these out. So I went ahead and bought 4 of these. But anyways, I just wanted to show you. Let's go over to the table, and I can read to you what John at Johnson Outdoors, Old Town Predators customer service rep, told me. I just want to make sure I pass on the right information and don't get it mixed up. So hold on. Table. This is the 4 skegs I ordered. Might as well save on the shipping and order extras. I have 2 kayaks. So the model number on this 3-hole skeg is 01.1315.1286. Once again, 01.1315.1286, and they are about $8.49 each. And so I ordered extras just to save on shipping, because like I said earlier, I launch off the cement boat ramp, and it does a lot of damage to the skeg. So I did contact John back. If you guys need this part, you can contact John at customer service at 1-800-343-1555. I'll write it down also in the video in the description. 1-800-343-1555. 1555. And his name is John. And so John also emailed me back, as I said, does this fit more than just the Predator 13? Mine's a 2016. He goes, this specific model will fit the Predator 13, made between 2014 and 2016. The Predator MX, made between 2015 and 2016. And the Predator XL, made between 2015 and 2016. And that's exact email to me, just to let you know. I'm not just reading it off the top of my head, making shit up. That's the email from customer service at Old Town. So I hope this helps if you're trying to figure out who to contact. So a lot of times, if you see something on their online catalog and you don't see it, make sure you give them a call. A lot of the stuff, like parts and stuff, they won't have it visible on their catalog on their website. You got to give them a call. They'll usually ask for your kayak serial number. That kind of helps them out, making sure that they give you the right products and send out the right products to you. So well, that's it, folks. Just wanted to share this part with you, just in case you have the same kayak as me. But now you know they fit 3 different type models from Old Town Predator. So please like this video. You guys have a great day. It's beautiful today, still chilly, but it's Eastern Washington, so in about 30 minutes to an hour from now, it will be raining. More rain's supposed to come in. Still freezing at night, but hopefully the temperatures will be stable enough where I can go back out kayaking. So you guys have a good day. Tight lines. Bye-bye.